Hi everyone, welcome to Amateur Hour. And what we have here is an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A03S. I picked this up at Best Buy for $170. That is 170 Canadian. At the time of this recording, it's about 127 US or so. So you would consider, this would be considered a budget phone. This is basically for people that don't want to spend a ton of money on a smartphone but still want a lot of the features that go with it. You have a lot of options, and one of them is to go for more of a budget friendly phone, and this one you can pick this up under $200. All right, so I'm not going to bore you with the specs. I'm just going to go over the main ones real fast. It has a 6.5-inch screen, 720 by 1600, 270 ppi. The CPU is a Cortex A53. The GPU is PowerVR GE8320. So it's not the big Qualcomm chip. You're getting more of a budget-friendly spec sheet. It does have a micro SD slot and a headphone jack. The camera has, the main one's a 13 megapixel, has a 2 megapixel macro and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. And it should have NFC. I know some versions don't and some do. This one should have NFC, but we're going to see that. We're going to find that out right now. So without further ado, let's open this up. All right, so here we go. Let's see how the presentation is. All right, let's open this up. Well, they give you a charging cable, Type-C to Type-C, some booklets, and that's it. Nothing left in here. And there's nothing here. And then here is the device. And as you see, is there a charging brick? Here we got the SIM ejection. Look at that. No charging brick. Okay. And I believe this is a 15 watt. I believe this supports 15 watt charging. I'll test that out as well. But this is all you get, folks. You don't get the charging brick even with the budget phone, nor a case, at least with this North American version. So here we go. Here's the A03S, excuse me. Let's open this up. And here we go. That's a nice looking phone, actually. There's no cover on it. There's no, is there a, no, I don't see a screen protector on it. All right, it's good. It feels good. It's narrow. It's a 20 by 9 aspect ratio. It's very narrow. The back is, well, it's plastic back. I got it in black, and it feels nice, but you won't get any fingerprints at least. So here you have it, and I just wanted to show it off just a little bit. So let's spark it up. I believe the power button's right here, and it does have a fingerprint sensor right here, actually, physical, right on the side. Very nice. Here we go. It should act as the power button as well. Here we go. Should have some juice. I will be running some tests as well, some charging tests and stuff like that, and I'll be testing out the camera. I'll come back shortly with just some small samples of the camera and just basically the user experience of a smartphone that is considered to be a budget phone under $200. Well, it's taking a little while to boot up, but I guess that's to be expected. It is a budget phone. So it may take a little bit. Here we go. So let's start it up. I'll set up the SIM card later. Okay, so it's gonna take a bit of time to set up, and I'll finish setting it up and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. It took a little time, but I want to set up the fingerprint sensor. Here we go. We'll set up the pin first. I'm gonna just do this off the screen. Okay, so it's set up just to fiddle around with. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the settings for the fingerprint sensor. Okay, sorry, it actually it was been kind of stuttering and it's kind of slow. Hopefully that's not a sign of things to come. So I'm gonna add the fingerprint. Like I said, it is a little slow. Here, let me enter the pin. Remember, this is a budget phone, so continue. And the fingerprint sensor is right here on the side, right here where the power button is. So scan, there we go. I'll try different angles. Oops. Hold on a second here, boy. Okay, sorry folks, I'm actually having some issues here. Starting this up, it's kind of slow. It's kind of slow, and it brought me back to the home screen. Coming from a S23 Ultra, this is certainly a different experience. But again, it's a budget phone, right? So, all right. So let's change the position. They want different ones. Oh boy. It's taking a little while. There we go. There we go. All right, done. Finally. All right. So let's get this going. Let's see how fast it is. No, not bad. It's off. No, didn't work. No. There we go. Let's try this again. So let's say the screen is off. Yeah, it's a little slow, but I mean, hey, it's a budget phone, right? There we go. So let's say take it out. You feel it in. There you go. It's not bad. Okay, that time it was good. You can actually feel for it on the side. If ever you just go up here, you feel it here, and then just like that. See? There you go. So there you have it, and I'm gonna see, is there NFC? Okay, so apparently this does not have NFC, which is, I have to admit, it's disappointing. No, it doesn't have it, but it does have quick share and nearby share, but it does not have NFC. All right, well, I'm just gonna take it out. I'm gonna do some tests with it, and there we go. I'm just gonna play around with it. Play around with the camera. Just, you know, use it daily, and I'll report back to you relatively soon, just to give you an update. Again, this was an unboxing and just first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy A03S, a budget phone under $200. Thanks.